Race for Warren Mayor is heating up in this year's primary election. Warren is the third largest city in Michigan, and this time voters will choose from a field that does not include its current mayor, Jim Fouts. Now, he has been kept off the ballot due to term limits, but he's fighting to keep his job. Juna Vici is following the latest on this mayoral election from Warren City Hall.
Well, the state Supreme Court decided not to hear Mayor Jim Fouts' case, and now that case might be headed to federal court. But the question remains, is it too late for Mayor Fouts to get back in the running?
We don't really care who you vote for or how you vote. Our interest is constitutional. We're constitutional attorneys, and we look at it from a constitutional perspective.
Nabi Ayad is the attorney for Warren Mayor Jim Fouts and says Fouts being kicked off the ballot for the mayoral primary essentially is a violation of his First Amendment rights.
That's why we're asking the federal judge to look at this and look at this closely and rule that Mr. Fouts does have a right to be on that ballot.
Ayad is talking about a city council ballot proposal that passed limiting mayoral terms to 5. It passed during Fouts' 4th term. So does that mean legally Fouts has 4 more terms, or is the law retroactive? That's the question Ayad wants answered by the courts.
So it's not very crystal clear on that. And it's not crystal clear how it's been written before on prior 2 occasions by the city council, where it was very clear as to retroactivity of it.
Fouts' case struck out with the state Supreme Court and could now be headed to federal court. As to how this could affect the current race with these 6 other candidates is unknown. Ayad said it is very possible, though, that the federal courts could make a legal ruling, which could force a special election, essentially a do-over.
It may be a little inconvenience for the voters in the city of Warren, but again, that inconvenience is not as important as somebody's constitutional rights being trumped on.
Results for this mayoral primary are expected sometime later tonight. In Warren, Gino Vici, CBS News, Detroit.